Good news everyone! Meet the new Electra Townie Commute DEQ Men Matte Black 2020 year bike. Tough traffic? With the Townie Commute 8D you stay in flow. The rapid fire plus thumb switch and two gripping brake handles are your command center. An ergonomically curved handlebar provides a perfect overview. And if you ever miss a pothole, the wide 28-inch Fat Frank puncture protection tires take it with you. Everything else fits on the heavy-duty carriers. And there's always room for a good mood anyway.